Before the exam, please remove all jewelry and detachable medical devices. Please inform the technologist of diabetes, iodine allergy, kidney issues, or pregnancy. Some CT exams require IV iodinated contrast. During injection, you may feel a warm sensation in your arm, face, and groin. It is normal and goes away quickly. Positioning for head, face, and neck exams. Positioning for body exams. Breathing instructions, visual cues. When you see the green face, breathe normally. When the green face starts flashing, prepare to hold your breath. When you see the yellow face, hold your breath. A countdown on the right tells you how long you have left. When you see the green face again, you may resume breathing. Most CT exams only take a few minutes. Therefore, please hold still until you are told by the technologist that the exam is over.